Today I have a home that you've got to see because it is in an ideal location, incredibly maintained, and it has a great layout. Outside we have a stone and stucco exterior finish. We've got a flat lot with a flat driveway and a fenced-in backyard. Inside we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, over 1,700 square foot of living space, and it's in School of the Osage District. Today we're at 12 Parker Point in Four Seasons. Let's go take a look inside. One of the best things about Four Seasons is all the amenities it has, with many outdoor pools, an indoor pool, workout facilities, playgrounds, dog parks, walking paths, you name it, Four Seasons has got it. My name is Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. For a private tour or more information, give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.